Sorry about that, I pressed the wrong button. I was trying to fix it to see if you guys can actually see it. Come on, there you go. Yeah, that rocket's fucking kill that guy. Yeah, my friend just messaged me and he said hi YouTube, and he said I love you. That sounds gay, but I don't care. Oh, my YouTube fans love me. I am addicted to YouTube actually. I'm addicted to YouTube since 2008 or 9. Somewhere around there. Use this. Blah blah blah. Yeah, you can kill these sheep, but you do not get no bolts or nothing. So, yeah. There. Alright. And we use this guy. Come on, robot. Clearance granted. Well, ain't that delightful? Oh shit. Ah! Don't you fucking bite me. Okay. Really? What the fuck? What the fuck? Come on, there you go. Ding 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 ding. Get this out just in case. Yeah, this is what I need. You bastards! Click that. Oh, still more. Fucking damn robots. Okay, that's all of them. If you go up here, with that thing right there, you could climb up and get a, platinum boat over there. I'll show you how. Let me move this. Okay. Oh. Okay, you see that thing right there? Let me get the weapon. Keep going in this tunnel with a spider. And you press that button. Explode. Ah. Damn it! Go up there! Really? Alright, that's it. There we go. And this is how you get the platinum bolt right here. Well, the gold bolt actually. So, cut to this gun. Get this thing over here. And get the robot boy. We are almost there. Hurry, get on. Oh. Ow. Ow. Fuck it, damn lasers. Damn lasers. Why always put up this shit? Alright. This little one right there. Put this big one over here. Hey, Mr. Sheepy. I like sheep. They're nice and fluffy, actually. And soft. Alright. Oops. Hurry and grab it on it. Yeah. Oh no. Damn it. You already know about that cutscene like a month ago. Ow. Keep jumping up and down. Anymore? Nope. And this is where you get the animal gun. Well, it's a sheep gun actually. You turn enemies into sheep. See, watch. Nah. But I get black sheep. They're called black demon sheep. That's what I call them. Black demon sheep. One more black demon sheep. One. Nah. Alright, get some ammo. Alright. Ready to rumble. Oh yeah. Damn it. There we go. Oh shit! Ah, no, no. Woohoo! Fucking die! Damn. Whoops. Wow.